State asigi Tonganba Mafam security force na bom Yaona Khutlai Kayamaru Fagatpa Ngamkhre Hairi Manipur Police Control Room na thadorakpa warol amagi matung ina Imphal West ke Pasoi Police Station ki manung chana leiba ngairangbam amadi Kongakhul Village ke lonabada security force na thibuhumgi thabak chathabada Khutlai kya Fagatpa Ngamkhre Hairi Fagalaba Khutlai sing adudi magazine amaga loinana semdoklaba 303 rifle ama local made SBBL ama magazine mangaga loinana pistol manga air pistol ama 36 HE grenade ama 303 rifle ge marukun charger amaga loinana baufeng handheld set ama amadi BP jacket cover amani hairi chaliba tha sigi kungani thoida security force na Imphal East ke Sagolmang police station ge manung chana leiba chanung chingsang parenge chingkhong dagi yamlab Khutlai kya Fagatpa Ngamkhre hairi police ki pa amagi matungina Fagalaba Khutlai sing adude magazine amaga loinana 303 rifle ama magazine yaudaba SLR ama SBBL nipan revolver pistol ama magazine yauba .22 pistol ama Tonganba caliber ge marukun mari MK13T cartridge ama tip launching device manga lethot cell taruk battery ahunga loinana baufeng walkie talkie set manga camouflage helmet mari camouflage penjura mapan camouflage shirt manga camouflage sweatshirt ahum green belt ama amade camouflage hat marini hairi amaromda chaliba tha asigi kungamathoi security force na aina thingkraba lal holup NRFM ge kadar ama Tangnopal district ke More police station ge manung chana leiba border pillar 79 manak Pangal Vasti dage Fagatpa Ngamkhre hairi police ki pa amagi matungina farba mioi adude waikhom athoi LIC daba chahi kungani pan Imphal East ke Haingang police station ge manung chana leiba khabam lamkhai dingini mangonda ge magazine anigal loinana 9mm pistol ama 9mm ge kapa yariba maru kuntra sim card amaga loinana mobile phone ama wrist watch ama amade torchlight amani hairi